Hello guys, welcome to Omema Tea Food Recipe Store. Today let's enjoy making fish in lemon butter sauce. This recipe is the simplest and the best way to grill just about any farm fish, and it's really tasty and different way to enjoy the fish. So let's begin. So to begin with this recipe, here I have the fish. I'm using Ravas fish. The first thing, I'm going to marinate this with some salt and pepper. I'm adding some salt and fresh black pepper. With my hands, we'll just rub this properly on both the sides. After turning this, I'll add some more salt on the other side. And some black pepper. We'll just let this marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. After we have marinated the fish for 10 to 15 minutes, now here I have the all-purpose flour. I'm going to drench this fish directly in the all-purpose flour and coat it really well on both the sides. The same way I'll do another piece also. After coating this really well, now in a pan I'm going to add some oil. I'm using olive oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add these pieces of fish. And we are going to cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 3 to 4 minutes. We'll flip this fish now. So this side is done really well. We'll wait for the other side also to become nice and brown like this. Once this fish is cooked well on both the sides, now I'll switch off the heat and we'll keep this aside in a fresh pan. I'm going to heat the pan first. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm adding some chopped garlic, around 8 to 10. We'll saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. After sauteing the garlic for 2 to 3 minutes, now I'm adding some grated onion, 1 grated onion. We'll saute the onion and garlic and fry it and cook it until the flavor is well infused into the butter. After sauteing, and you can see the color has changed, the onion and garlic is really cooked well. Now to this I am adding a little fish stock. You can add even plain water or even chicken stock. Just 1/3 cup of fish stock. After mixing this, now I'm squeezing some lemon juice. I'm squeezed 1 whole lemon. After squeezing the lime, we'll give this a nice mix. And now to this I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter, one at a time. After the butter is melted, I am adding another piece of butter, another tablespoon of butter. After giving this a nice mix, I am adding some fresh black pepper powder. After this butter and lemon sauce is ready, now I am adding the fish. And we'll just let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes till all the flavors set really well. And I'm adding some fresh parsley. After cooking this for further 5 minutes, all the flavors have set well in the fish. I'll switch off the heat and it's ready for plating now. I will add some butter lemon sauce. And this is just ready to serve. Enjoy this tangy lemon garlic butter sauce. Is super rich and delicious and full of flavors, and the best way to enjoy fish as a perfect meal.